guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. We are outside today and it is beautiful here. A little overcast in zone 7B, but that's absolutely wonderful. The sun is going in and out, so it's not too hot. We're getting ready to harvest a giant celery that I grew in my containers. I'm going to show you as we harvest it, then I'm going to show you exactly how I planted it, and another one that I have growing as we speak. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get into it.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
We are back, and before we get started, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. As I said just a minute ago, we're getting ready to harvest a giant celery that I grew in my containers, and I'm going to show you how you can grow one too. Head over to Facebook, join my Facebook group, Container Crops. It's for you, not me. I want to see what you have growing on in your garden. Post your pics, post your videos. Let's all support each other over there as well, and you can always find me on IG, Scaredy Cat Gardener. Okay, don't forget to give the video a like, thumbs it up, share it out, and if you make it to the end of the video and you got anything out of it, I'd appreciate you hitting that thanks button right there. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get this celery out of the container. Okay guys, so this is the pot I have it in, and I also have icicle radish in the same pot with it. And as you can see, it is tall. Look at that celery, look at the leaves, look how tall it goes up past the bamboo pole. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to dehydrate these leaves and use those in different dishes. And we're going to just use the celery. Look at that all the way down. Isn't that amazing? Yes, you can grow it, and you can grow it in containers. Now, guess what, guys? This fabulous large piece of celery is from store-bought. It is not from seed. It is from a store-bought celery. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab my gloves so we can go ahead and harvest it. Okay, so this is actually my first time harvesting a whole celery stalk, because I usually do cut and come back. I didn't do it this time because I saw how well it was growing. So we've got to get down in here. Let me see, make sure you guys can see that. I'm going to get down in here, and then we're just going to, I want to pull it up because I'm going to plant another one in this spot. So I want to see, and we're just going to cut the bottom part off. Just pulling on it is all I am doing right now. Let's see here. Oh, it's down there pretty good, which is a good thing. Let's see here. I can move some of this around. Oh yeah. This is amazing, amazing. Don't want to disturb my radishes either here. Okay. All right. Shake all that off. Look at those roots, guys. Look at those roots. Woo, this is amazing. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, so as I mentioned, I planted that from a celery stalk. This is another one, just a basic celery stalk from the grocery store. As you can see, I've been cutting off leaves, but I didn't cut it all the way down to the bottom, because this is the part that we're going to cut off now and replant. Let me flip this around since I'm right-handed. So all you need to do is cut off the bottom part of it. Doesn't have to be even or anything like that. We're going to stick this right back down in the ground, just like that. So let's head on over. Okay, and I'm not doing anything to the soil or the spot that it's going in except for turning my dirt over. I typically go right back in and plant another one. And it's okay that I'm planting it in the same spot. They tend to do well. So just make sure you have a hole. Here's another piece of celery lettuce. Put that off to the side there. Dig your hole. Push it down. And then make sure it's not covered up. The top of it is not covered up. And actually, that's a little bit lower than I wanted. So I'll put it up a little bit because I had more soil left over than I anticipated. And it's okay if some of it gets on top of it, but we're going to move that off. Just make sure it's down in there, even to your soil. Pat the soil down around it, and you're done. Now I'm going to take you over and show you. And this little baby came up, and I'm going to put it right back down in there. Put her right back down in there. Yes, I am. And that one, that's not up. Okay. Make sure I don't have any. This is an old celery leaf. Remove that. Make sure my radishes are okay. It rained yesterday, so I'm just going to water her in just a little bit. Okay, and over here in this container is another one that I have growing, and it's just started. I put it in here maybe about a week ago, and so it's starting to come up. And then we'll have another one, and I just keep repeating the process over and over and over again. And guys, while I was outside, I decided to go ahead and harvest a few other things for my salad today. So I've got some Swiss chard here. I have some bok choy, and something got to it really good on that one. But I have some beautiful bok choy here, and I have some regular lettuce leaves, and something got to this one really bad, but that's okay. Got some really beautiful leaves here. This Swiss chard is looking good. And I've also harvested quite a bit of my oregano. I'm going to just go ahead and dehydrate it. And of course, my celery. Yes. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we are done for today. I have this amazing celery. Look, guys, it's longer than my arm. It is longer than my arm. Oh, my goodness. In containers, guys, in containers, guys, you can do it too. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my garden. I am going to dehydrate the leaves. And if you all would like to see that process, let me know down in the descriptions. And if I don't do it with this one, then I will do it the next time I have some celery. I'll show you what I do with the leaves. And we'll just be munching and cooking with the rest of this stalk as the other ones grow. And I actually went ahead and cut the bottom part off with the roots and a little bit of the top, and I stuck that back down in the ground too. So it should grow just as well as before I cut it off, because I have cut them off before and just left them in there. So it means I have 3 of them out here now. All right. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and share it out. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
Time.